This video is about how to speed up your slow PC step-by-step tutorial. No external software necessary. This is 5 steps process. Many people struggle with slow PCs, especially in countries where older computers are still widely used. So basically, whatever kind of PC you have, like potato PC with low RAM, hard drive, a hard disk, no SSD, or you have good mid-range laptop or PC. Any kind of PC, these steps will clean junk files and clean up your cache register and RAM so that your PC runs faster. First step is to open Task Manager. Right click on your taskbar. Click on Task Manager. Go to the top right corner. Click on Startup Apps and disable any kind of app that will start automatically on the PC startup. So basically, if you don't need it, just right click and disable as many software as possible that is not actually necessary for you. Now let's head to step 2. The step 2 is to delete temporary files. Click Windows and Windows button and R button simultaneously, and this window will pop up. In this window, type %temp% and click OK. This will lead you to a folder with temporary files. Click on Ctrl A and click Delete. Deleting these will not harm your computer because these are temporary files. That will just speed up your RAM. And step 3 is to uninstall unused programs. Go to Control Panel. Go to uninstall a program and you will find all the applications installed in your PC and find out which application you don't need and just uninstall it until your computer frees up some memories. So do this and go for next step. Step number 4 is to adjust PC performance settings. Disclaimer is that your PC by default runs on balanced optimization performance, so it takes care of your battery life, etc., etc. But what I'm gonna do is to go to the computer properties. Go to this PC, right click on the blank space, go to properties, and here you will go to advanced system settings, and under performance tab go to settings and click this option, adjust for best performance, and click OK. Boom, this will make your PC fast. You will already notice the changes. So final, last but not least, step 5 is disk cleanup, which is included in your Windows. This application can be opened by searching here, open disk cleanup, and this will automatically detect some unused files on your PC. Like you can use disk cleanup to free up to 16.6 megabytes of disk space on C drive in my case. So click on clean up system files. Wait a bit. There is another step, like it will open up to more chances of free. So again, click on OK. Click on delete files. So that's it, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the channel. My name is Shihab Mehdi. I'm a computer science engineer, and my goal is to be a friend to the people who likes these kinds of videos, building a community, network worldwide. so that we can make the world a better place. This is Shihab Mehdi signing off. Take care and do not forget to subscribe the channel. And thanks again for watching. Come again. Goodbye.